What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just picked up my car. I did not have it for a week and a half. Our buddy Brandon did a 2-step paint correction and a 5-year coating on my car, which very much needed one. So I just picked it up and oh my God, it looks good. This is the best my car has ever looked. I'm so excited to take some photos and videos and show you guys. Cause I thought this blue was amazing. It's even better than I had thought before. God, I love this car. I clipped this to my seatbelt. I think that's a little bit better than clipping it on my shirt so that the seatbelt doesn't rip it off. I'm so excited to show you guys how good my car looks. I'm such an obnoxious driver, I feel like. With an obnoxious blinker. Oh, okay. That guy just told me my car is gorgeous. Look at GT500. Hi, friend. Alright, it's an on-ramp. Let's get up to speed. I know I got there fast, but... I hope this doesn't pick up too much road noise, honestly. Dude, this is so annoying. Stay where you're supposed to stay. Pat told me the last video that I uploaded, he's like, you know what you should get? And I was like, what? And he's like, mics. I'm like, okay, you're right. So it pushed me to get a mic. Hopefully this helps push my content out more. And obviously you guys can hear me better. So shout out to Pat. Thank you for pushing me to get a set of mics so that you can hear both me and Brendan on videos. Oh, the bugs are annoying. All right, so shout out to Brandon with Attentive Auto Salon. He did an amazing job on this car. And I'm so excited to show you guys some closer up views of it. Arizona was definitely rough on this paint. Between the hard water and the sand and all that stuff, it sat outside an apartment complex for like a year and a half, I think. So it had a rough life, but she's getting the princess treatment here. So let's get a close-up of this paint. There's literally one thing that I've loved so much about this car, and it's this blue. And when I tell you this blue has never, ever looked this good, I'm not lying to you. Look at that mirror finish. Just a full walk around here. Look at how shiny that is. It did not have that before. Sure, I could make it look like that in photos, but you could not make it look good in person. But apparently, 14, look at that reflection. 14 whole hours, there's already a bug on it. Love that. 14 and a half whole hours of a paint correction and a coating. This thing is pristine. Better than showroom quality. It did not look this good rolling off the assembly line. Oh, I forgot. I got a blank deck lid. I have not shown you guys that yet. That was new. But I am quite literally in awe. Look at that. That is paint. Not a mirror. Paint. If I can find some before photos, I will definitely show you. But like, the after speaks for itself. It's crazy. Bugs. I can't get over it. I really can't. Honestly, I wasn't that nice to this paint either. I will very much admit that, yes, I did sit on my car. Yes, I did lean against it a lot. But I can very confidently tell you that I will never do that again. I will be putting velvet ropes around this car at car shows. Like, if anybody as much as scratches my car, ooh, I'll be so mad. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any videos that you'd like to see from me, please suggest them. Yeah, I don't know.